Assalamualaikum. How are you kids? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to study My World. Open page number 2. Our topic is parts of body. Label the parts of a body with the help of given word bank. Here we have a word bank. इस वर्ड बैंक की मदद से हमने इन पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी को लेबल करना है. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? हेयर. व्हाट इज दिस? हेयर. हेयर कहाँ है? दिस इज हेयर. हेयर. Okay, what is this? This is eye. Where is eye? It is eye. Eye. What is this? Lips. And here is lips. Lips. Okay. What is this? Hand. Hand. And here is hand. Hand. And what is this? Foot. Foot. Where is foot? Here is foot. Foot. Okay. What is this? This is ear. This is ear. Where is ear? Here is ear. And what is this? This is nose. This is nose. And what is this? This is arm. This is arm. Where is arm? Here it is arm. And what is this? This is leg. And where is leg in word bank? Here it is leg. Now open page number 3. Fill in the blanks by writing the correct word from the given word bank. यहाँ पे हमने इन पिक्चर्स की मदद से और वर्ड बैंक की मदद से इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. With my dash I see. What are these? Eyes. Eyes. हम किस चीज से देखते हैं? Eyes से. Here is eyes. तो यहाँ हम eyes लिखेंगे. With my eyes I see. Yes. With my dash I hear. What are these? These are ears. With my ears I hear. Okay. With my dash I smell. What is this? Nose. With my nose I smell. With my dash I clap. What are these? Hands. With my hands I clap. ऐसे ही आपने दोनों पेज कंप्लीट करने हैं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज.